Top-down, bottom-up bamboo woven shade, effortless light and privacy control, bathing your space in natural warmth. Featuring oriental rhythm pattern, bamboo shade creates understated yet refined elegance. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the position, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Gracefully natural bamboo woven shades, tuning light to your preference.